Hi, my name is Sönke Tesch. I am EMEA Market Manager for appliances and heating, ventilation and air conditioning systems. When you look at the modern appliance production today, one thing becomes clear very quickly. Many things work differently than they did just a few years ago. A lot has changed in cable management as well, and that's exactly what I like to talk about today. The cable tie is one of the most versatile fastening solutions. Reliable, flexible and a long-lasting standard in the appliance industry. But requirements are changing. The installation space, speed, process reliability and waste reduction are becoming increasingly important. That's why we have developed clips that are specifically designed to meet these new requirements. Clips enable faster handling, fewer process steps, and often allow automated assembly. At the same time, they reduce material waste and support modern production processes. For you, this means faster production steps, reduced scrap, and more stable assembly processes. And you get solutions that are precisely tailored to your appliance application. In your industry, HellermannTyton stands for proven, high-quality fastening solutions, from the initial idea through to series production. I have been working with customers on exactly these challenges for many years, and I am happy to support you in finding the best solution for your application.